everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today let's unbox Fashom. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're returning, Ruger is the guy down there, and he and I are going to be doing a Fashom unboxing for you today. I love Fashom. It is very size inclusive. I think it's got all the way from size 0 up to 32 or extra small to, was it 3X? The styling is really good. They're one of the lower priced boxes. They basically have two price ranges. I think it's about $45 and under, and then $45 to perhaps $90. So their prices, their clothing is much more reasonably priced. You fill out a profile online. Oh, Ruger's getting a good stretch. Hello, they get to see you for real, buddy. Yeah, but you fill out a profile online with all of your sizes and preferences and all that good stuff. And then a stylist gets together, I think 7 to 9-ish items, and you choose 5 of those that you want sent to you in the comfort of your home where you get to try them on. There is a $20 styling fee, and that gets returned to you. With anything you purchase, it gets credited back. Let's see, what else? Oh, a couple of you used my link last time. Thank you so much. So I didn't pay a styling fee. They went ahead and credited that back to me, or they didn't charge me at all for the styling fee. So that's great because there's no risk for me. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. There we go. I always have to be careful with that knife. I have cut my polyurethane mailer before. So what do we have here? Thank you. Self-love is the best outfit. Your purchase makes a difference. They donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue in New York City for every box that is sent. I love that. This guy right here is a rescue dog. We love our rescues. And then there's instructions on that back of how to handle your order. Oop, let me put that, there we go. And in here should be the stylist note and the pricing sheet. I'm going to try and let the prices wait until the end, and I'll read the styling note later if I feel like it's something that is relevant or would be interesting for you guys to hear. There's my polyurethane mailer. Were those always purple? I think that's a new color. And then inside, it's got the beautiful F sticker on top of the little bundle. People like to see the bundles, so I'm going to show it to you. Here we go. There's the colors. Oh, there we go. So let's see. Let's just slide all this stuff out and see what's in here. If you keep 3 items with Fashom, you save 15% off your price. And if you keep all 5, you save 30%. That is the biggest percentage multiple item discount I've seen in any of the boxes. So what do we have? I did see a preview and I chose my items, but I'm vaguely recalling what they were. I have been out of state for the past almost week, helping a daughter after emergency surgery. So things are very fuzzy. I just came back last night. So here is a cardigan. It's more of a t-shirty type material. So would that still be called a cardigan? What do you call this if it's not a cardigan? I think I'll call it a cardigan. So it's this pretty sky blue color. Got that. The brand, oh, the brand. The brand is R-A-R-Y-E-H. Yeah, I've never heard of that brand before. So that's our brand there. And we've got this mauve color. I'm never sure how I feel about this color exactly. This is a kind of a cutout top, which I've been looking for. It's by André, by Unit. And there we go. So it's got those cutouts at the shoulders. I think this would be like a cold shoulder type top. I haven't been a big fan of cold shoulder in the past. And it does have a little bit longer sleeve than I'm generally looking for this time of year. But maybe it will work. Maybe it's not quite as long as I'm thinking. We've got a little wrap top. I remember this one, and it's yellow, which tends to not be a super good color on me, but I thought, hey, let's live a little and give it a try, and I thought it might look nice with the cardigan for what I saw in the preview. We've got, oh, it's a sleeveless top. I asked her to please give me some sleeveless tops and springy tops and perhaps cut out if she could find it for the summer, and I think she was really doing a good job of responding to that. So there we go. And it's got a V-neck right there. It's very simple, but I like the animal print on that a lot. And that also is kind of a silky fabric, so it could be dressed up or down. And then I had picked those, and I think I asked her if she could please include for me a pair of pants to go with the tops, and she got these cropped jeans. They're by D.Jeans. I have a pair of I'm wearing a pair of D.Jeans. These jeans came from Fashom, and I think in my last Fashom unboxing, I kept all 3 of these pieces for the 15% discount. So I've got D.Jeans, so I'm pretty sure those will fit me well. I've got this really cute, it's also an animal print 3/4 sleeve, and I've got the jacket. I'm afraid, do I have my microphones on my jacket, so I won't take it off, but I've finally found a blazer with them. So I'm excited to try these, because if these are indeed cropped, these might work good for the summer. Okay, let's get going with our try on. Well, here we are with the first outfit. We've got the D.Jeans and the sleeveless animal print blouse. Let's talk about the jeans first. Normally, I am not a fan of skinny jeans, but I'm not minding these, and I think it's because there's just a little bit of a wider opening at the leg. They're not tight all the way down. So I don't know, these might be in the running. The pockets are not real pockets, they're faux pockets, and these are full length. I thought that perhaps they were cropped when I pulled them out. I do that a lot. I think a pair of jeans is cropped, and then I pull it out and put it on, and nope, they're full length. So these are. Let me turn around and let you see the back. So what do you think of these? Are these too tight? They're making me look too hippie. The waist it's a little tiny bit big, but it's nothing that's gonna slide down on me or be uncomfortable. And I do love the other D.Jeans that I was wearing on the intro. So I think these could serve me well. Alrighty, so now let's move on to the top. It's got this animal print, white with black. It has a V-neck. The V is nicely done. It's folded over. It's just serged on the inside. That's that overstitch thing, but it's a lined wide collar thing. It overlaps right there. So it's kind of a nicely done collar. I can see this working with a lot of things. Let me pull it out and show you the length. So it's a good length. It is just a little bit big through the waist, but if it was any smaller, I don't think it would be good with my bust. And my bra does not show from the side. So that's always a plus. The armholes are small enough. Here it is from the back with the length. I think she suggested I could try it with the cardigan, but I am going to try it with that jacket from Fashom I had on the intro. And I think this would probably look better tucked in, but let's just see. We'll just front tuck it to get an idea of what that looks like. So yeah, I think that's a really good look. I could also see this with my denim jacket. So I think both of these pieces are fabulous and could be staying here. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, let's get on to the next top. This little yellow surplice top. I like it. I didn't think I would. Yellow tends to wash me out. I do love the color, but it does tend to suck all the color out of me. I'm not sure this one is. I mean, I'll look back at the footage and see what I think, but what do you think? I actually think this could be a keeper. However, it's threatening to come apart and me flash the whole world, so I would have to add a little modesty stitch right there, which wouldn't be a problem because I could still get it over my head. There's plenty of room here. There's a tiny bit of stretch. There is some stretch to the fabric, and it's got the brilliant hem. Whoever came up with this, I just love them for it. It looks like you're front tucking without having to front tuck. Gives me a little bit of definition at the waist without worrying about tucking coming undone when they put the elastic in the front and then let it hang in the back. So there's the front. Here's what the back looks like. And I think this is awfully cute with jeans, although I could see it with others, but I would probably most often wear this with jeans. So now I'm going to put it on with the cardigan like she suggested. As she suggested, I could wear the cardigan with the sleeveless animal print top that I tried on just a minute ago. So here we are. I think this is a great look. I think it looks really nice. It works together. This is extremely lightweight. It covers my bum in the back. This would pack really well, and lately I seem to be doing a lot of traveling, whether I planned for it or not. So this would be a really great thing to throw into a suitcase or throw over my shoulders when I'm on a plane. But I'm always cold, and I wear some sort of sweater every morning. So in the summer, this would be a great one. You know, just lighter weight than most, but still keep me if there's a tiny bit of chill. It would also be a good one for walking. That boy right there. So, okay, let's come back with one more top. Last top is this cold shoulder top. I didn't tell you the brand before I forget on the surplice wrap top. It's Renee, the one that I tried on just a minute ago. So I will put all of the brands and the prices down in the drop-down box below so that if you would like to ask your stylist for anything, they can include it for you. So let's talk cold shoulder top. I think this is cute. I have my bra straps down here, just push down. Obviously, I would need to wear a strapless bra with it. It is long sleeve. It actually feels kind of cozy despite being cold shoulder. It's got the little kind of a cutout look to it. I've been asking for cutouts, and I think she was responding to that. Let me show you the back. I hope I tucked the tags in back here. So even though it's kind of slouchy, I think it's flattering on me, and I love the color. However, and it's banded at the bottom, by the way. Here's the thing. This is the first cold shoulder top I've ever tried on. I have never been a fan. Back in the mid-90s, I used to go out country western dancing and girls were wearing them, and it was just never a look I got into, especially if it's long sleeve. I just feel like, why am I going to have long sleeves if I'm going to expose my shoulders? I mean, let's just either be all the way warm or all the way cool, but it looks to me like the top can't make up its mind. So I know that this is not something I would reach for. So this is going to be a pass for me. I can see that it looks good. I just know me. I'm not going to reach for it. So that's the last item in the box. We'll be back in a second with the wrap up. Let's wrap this puppy up, shall we? So keep in mind that with Fashom, if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 15% off. And if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So even though I'm not a fan of this top, it could very well be that I wind up either saving a little bit of money or breaking even if I keep it to get that 30% price, depending on the price of the top. So let's see what we've got here. The D high waist straight leg jeans. These are regular 68. You know, the ones I'm wearing are D from Fashom. I thought those were 78. So maybe I got that wrong, but I think these are a little bit lower. 15% off is $57.80 and 30% off is $47.60. That's a really good price on a pair of jeans. I don't technically need a pair of jeans, especially skinnies again, but these with that little flare out at the bottom, not being tight all the way down, I'm going to take a look at the footage. These might be staying. I would love your opinion on this. Then we've got the Renee collection Ella animal print blouse. I liked this, and I think this would be super versatile. The regular price is $48 for these boxes. That's pretty good. 15% off is $40.80 and 30% is $33.60. That's a great price. So this may very well be staying. I also want to say about this one, it's a soft satiny material. I don't think it has any stretch, but it feels really good quality. It's a very thick fabric. I could wear a black bra with this and it would not be see-through. I think I'm going to hang on to that one. That would really serve me for a lot of different things. We've got the Renee C Reese striped tank, regular, $46. That's not too bad. The 15% off is $39.10 and 30% off is $32.20. Another one I'm going to look back at the footage on. It would be nice to have something a little bit different in the yellow would be. Would love opinions on this if you guys would be so kind. And then the Andre by Unit Drew cutout shoulder top, regular price $42, 15% $35.70 and 35% off is $29.40. That's a great price. I will have to do Fashom math at the end, but it could very well be because of the price. I spend less by keeping this top if I want to keep the other 4 items. And then we've got, lastly, would be the cardigan by process of elimination. I'm so good at that. The Arya Alana Soft Cardigan, regular price $42, 15% off $35.70, and 30% off $29.40. I think that one is going to stay. I can't put that away. I need to talk about total prices. So the subtotal of everything before any discounts is $246. 5 items discount is 30% off. So that would be $73.80 off. And then which makes the total $172.20. Very good for 5 items, particularly in these boxes. Of course, I don't really intend on keeping all 5. Well, this one may force me to. But I'll have to do the math again and see with 15% off half that discount. Well, half that discount would be, well, because then I would be keeping less than 5 items. I'll have to do some Fashom math and see what works out the best. Again, if you use my referral link down below, you will save 10% off of your first box, and I will $10, not 10%. I keep saying that, off of your first purchase from Fashom, and I will receive a $10 credit too. I really, really appreciate that. That's helped me out so much. I've had a lot of fun doing this one. What was the stylist name? I read the note, but it wasn't anything I thought was pertinent to read to you. This is Kristen. Kristen has styled me with Fashom from the beginning. She's kind of understanding me better and better. I love this service. Reasonable prices, very good styling, tons of sizes. And they donate to a rescue. I mean, how much better does it get? Well, if you stick around a little bit longer to the end, my husband will find some kind of blooper, more than likely, and include it. Rigor's snoring, that's always my signal that it's time to stop, that it's time to end the video. If you could give this a quick thumbs up, I would appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed and you would like to, would absolutely love to have you join us here, and comment down below. I love the comments. I am still responding to every single one of them. I appreciate every single one of you. Bye-bye, and be blessed. I turned this thing off instead of just making it so you could cut stuff out. It's been a while. Be careful about how I open this. I've cut the polyurethane mailer before. Let's see, here we go. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna, this is dangerous.